Hi guys, I'm back. Hope you missed me because I missed you too. Okay, so we are making our velvet coconut cake or cocoa velvet cake, however you want to call it. Let's dive into it because I already added my flour, sugar, cocoa powder, baking powder, baking soda, salt. I'm going to list the ingredients out for you guys. So you go ahead and give all your wet ingredients a mix to make sure everything is properly incorporated. This cake is for me. For those of you that are complaining your hair is flying everywhere, please, it's for me. I know when to tuck in my hair and all that. So for this, allow me to enjoy my hair to look beautiful and bake for you guys. So if you come across this recipe, don't hesitate to bake it because it is so yum. Meanwhile, my staff is there just distracting me, making me talk. But back to what I was telling you guys. This cake is yum to the last crumb. I mean, hey, aside the velvet, adding coconut into it, OMG. I had a taste of this cake, and for someone that doesn't like real velvet, these banks, I am not playing. So I think you should try it, introduce it to your clients. And you know me, any recipe I am giving out is something you can always use and make money. Do not sleep on my recipe. I don't give out what you cannot, make some money from. So guys, you better go to your list and say, dear clients, we have new recipe now called Cocoa Velvet. And then you bake it to show them. And before you know it, they will start saying, I want it. And guys, you're already making money. So, so the flavor I use here is cream cheese flavor. So if, cheese strawberry flavor, yes. Hey, God, I beg. Strawberry. Anambra tongue shall not put me in trouble. Jesus pass you. Anyways, look at that. Glorious. The whole studio smell like heaven. It smells so good. Ooh, look at the butter. And when you bake this, when you're not baking this, imagine how you feel. And then someone made a comment that she thought I would have a deep voice. Can we try deep voice? So, when you are done baking, you slice it open, put it into your oven. Is it going well? I think my husband should come and do this deep voice because I don't know. Is it working? So anyways, if you think I have the voice, please think otherwise because I don't understand. Anyways, I had to sprinkle extra coconut on top. But if you want the coconut to be quite visible for the top, when the cake is getting done, just sprinkle more on top of it while it's halfway done. And then bring it out. You will have a very nice, delicious, and yummy red velvet cake. So yeah, look at how moist it looks. And you see the coconut is not very visible here, so always put it while it's getting done. Yeah, see you in my next video. Bye.